Parents, what are your thoughts on this? Now, as a father, a fighter, a fight coach, my son is going to know how to fight, period. Whether he wants to pursue that as a career or hobby, that's up to him. But he's going to know how to fight so that he can physically protect himself. No doubt about that. But he's also going to know that fighting is an absolute last resort. When it comes to self-defense, he's going to know that his best option is going to be avoiding the fight at all costs. That might mean walking away. That might mean de-escalating the situation. That might mean just keeping his ego in check so that things do not turn physical. However, if anyone puts their hands on him in a violent manner, he has my full permission and encouragement to fight back in order to keep himself safe. And sometimes that might even mean throwing the first punch. Now, if that makes me part of the problem, so be it. But my kid's going to know how to keep himself safe, and he's not going to let anyone get physical with him without him at least protecting himself.